I'm in heaven, and the cares that hung around me through the week seem to vanish like a gambler's lucky streak. When we're out together, dancing cheek to cheek. Oh, I love to climb a mountain, but to reach the highest peak. But I don't enjoy it half as much as dancing cheek to cheek. So a voice within me keeps repeating you, 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 night and day. You are the one, only you beneath the moon and under the sun. Whether near to me or far, it's no matter, darling, where you are. I think of you night and day, night and day. You call the doctor, there's nothing wrong with me. I just like things a little rough, and you better not disagree. Don't cover me with kisses, I can't get that from my sisters. Before you get too cranky, you better like hanky-panky. Nothing like a good spanky. Don't take out your handkerchief, I don't wanna cry. I just wanna hanky-panky like hanky-panky. He's a tramp, but a good one, and I only hope he travels my way. You'll never tell when he'll show up. He'll give you plenty of trouble, but he is a no-account pup. But I wish that he were double. He's a tramp. Change the color of your hair, are you still busy? Did you have to pay that fine? You've been dodging all the time, are you still dizzy? Well, since I've come on home and my body's been a mess, when I missed your ginger hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over, stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Valerie? Going on up to the spirit in the sky. That's where I'm gonna go when I die. When I die and they lay me to rest, I'm gonna go to the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the best. Go to the place that's the